how to take card off DoorDash. If you want to take the card off of your DoorDash account, which means you want to remove the payment card from your DoorDash account, open the DoorDash app and make sure that you first of all are logged into your account. Tap on your DoorDash profile from the very top of the screen that you can see here, and once you've done that, you want to scroll and you'll find the option that says gift cards. So just tap on the gift cards option. Now from here, what you want to do is once you tap the account icon, you want to go to the option that says payment method and just tap the payment method option. Once you tap on the payment method option, under saved payment method, you'll find the card that you've added. Now you simply have to long press on it, and if you're on iPhone, you can simply swipe towards the left hand side, and from there you'll be able to find the option to delete your card, and just like that, your card will be successfully deleted from DoorDash. Now if it says something like cannot delete the default payment method, then it means that you have to add another payment method. Make that your default one, then only remove the previous card. So there needs to be at least one payment method within the app. That's why sometimes DoorDash might not let you remove it. So add a secondary payment method, make that your primary or default payment, then only you can remove the previous one. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.